So hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today this is me sitting on the ground cutting fabric in silence while the day slowly turns into the evening. But honestly, this is my favorite part of making bandanas. So this is me showing you the process, what I'm doing right now. I think it's 9th April, I guess. This is the next day morning. Before starting work, I try to eat breakfast because usually I am not eating breakfast and I am trying to entangle my earphones, which is every single day task. So I got on a Rapido, headed straight to Bandra for the flea market, carrying my bandana on my head because marketing should be done everywhere, but actually this is helping me while I am traveling. Then I reached way too early, so now I'm just sitting here, but I did some work as well at the Geo Garden, pretending I have my life together. And yes, I'm wearing my own bandana. So this is a crowd. As the evening started, the whole place slowly came to life, and this is a stall which I'm working and volunteering as a social media person. For a little while, I took a break from the stall and just walked around the flea market. Honestly, I love observing people at the events. Everyone dressed up, everyone's selling something creative, everyone's just existing in their own little world. And then 2 minutes later, I started checking prices.
This is like my first time experience at the flea market. It's good. It's very expensive. But yeah, everybody gets shocked. There are like unique stalls over here. And I am at the brownie stall. Walking there. I just came for a round. It's good.
So, if you are planning to visit the flea market at Geo World Garden, here's a small tip. So, this year I went to the flea market. So, I understood that the market is divided into different sections. One is clothing, accessories, desserts, food, and a lot more. And every stall has its own allocated number. So, it's actually pretty easy to explore once you understand the layout. Sorry. Also, entry here is around 500 rupees per person. Yeah, per person. So it's not a free entry for the flea market. And another thing I noticed, a lot of stalls use this top up card system instead of normal GPay payment. So again you have to like pay for 50 rupees. There is a counter where you have to take like a card and insert money in that. So first you have to top up a card and then use the card everywhere wherever you want to shop. So I guess if you are coming in a group of people, you can just buy one card, so it's easier for everyone to shop and you do not waste another 50 rupees extra for each card. So honestly, coming with friends makes more sense because then you can just share the top up amount and roam around together. Basically come emotionally, financially and physically prepared because it's a lot of walk around the garden. And yeah, it's going to be fun. It's very exciting. The vibe of the people is really good. I kept roaming around, checking out different stalls, talking to people, and honestly, some of the food presentations were so cute. As a small business owner, I also got to know how to interact with people on a wider scale because I have been putting up stalls on a smaller scale. This stall is not affordable to me right now, but I am working over there for somebody else's business, and that literally gave me like an eye opening or an experience to a wider audience. So one stall was literally serving snacks in little bowls and it looked so aesthetic for no reason. It was simple but it was like organized. I originally came here thinking I'd just be helping as a social media volunteer, but slowly I started interacting with customers, helping with sales, talking to people, also taking the cash payment, basically also taking the payment, sorry, not cash payment, basically doing a little bit of everything. I'm not gonna lie, being around so many creative people actually felt really inspiring. And while walking around there, I kind of realized that something a lot of people come to places like this to spend money, and a lot of people come here to make money. I was definitely in a second category where, in a different category, I was the helping. Didn't really buy anything because honestly everything was expensive and I had come there for work and not for shopping.
इधर कुछ भी नहीं खाया बस वही ब्राउनी फुकट वाला खाया स्टॉल पे। बाकी मैंने कुछ भी नहीं लिया उधर। अभी मैं घर पे आके वो उधर का आइसक्रीम रहता है ना, वो खा रही हूँ, पान वाला आइसक्रीम। घर पे आके मैंने खाना खाया, चिकन। इट वॉज सो एक्सपेंसिव, आई कुडंट बाय एनीथिंग मोर देन। I could buy, but I decided not to buy it. I'm not that level rich.
So I learned a lot just by observing people, brand, pricing, conversations, and everything, because you actually need that exposure and you need to be out than just sitting on a 9 to 5 job and where you are not practically learning and interacting with people. And that was basically day one at the flea market, and I really had fun. It was overwhelming in a positive way, but it was really, really like fun. For me, it was very fun. At least day one was that fun. Let's see what happens in the day two.
My legs are paining, my neck is paining, everything is paining. But I'm working hard because then I can take any day off because I earned extra over the weekend. I can say fuck you to my boss whenever I want. Fuck off. Like, कल छुट्टी नहीं दे रहा है, मैं फिर भी छुट्टी मारूँ क्योंकि मैंने एक्स्ट्रा पैसा कमा लिया, तो फिर मैं छुट्टी मार सकती हूँ। स्क्रू इट। और मैं इंक्रीमेंट के लिए हर साल रोने नहीं वाली। My last company made me cry so much. Made me cry so much. I can't even say anything. Like if I want, I can make a vlog about it. But now I'm not that famous to make a vlog about it. So you get my point. I'm got my bandana right now. This is how I protect myself from the heat. From the heat. And it's very easy and convenient. First time I like the business where the business owner also can use the products. I am सगळं मला लाईट बीट बंद करायचं अदरवाइज हो ये तो फैन बाहर गाली पड़ेगा पप्पा का मेरे फैन चालू रखा तो व्हाट एल्स ये भी तो फैन है व्हाट एल्स टू स्विच ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग व्हेन यू आर गोइंग आउट ऑफ द हाउस इज स्विच ऑफ एवरीथिंग चेक द गैस इफ इट्स ऑफ और क्या है Take the lock and the चाबी स्पाइडरमैन है चाबी के लॉक पे लॉक के चाबी पे लाइट्स ऑफ बाथरूम लाइट्स ऑफ व्हाट एल्स फ्रिज तो चालू ही रखती हूँ मैं व्हाट एल्स शूज नहीं पहना शूज मैक यू हैव टू वेयर शूज I'll go out. I will wear my shoesy poozy. This is my outfit. शूज पहनते हैं, एक ही शूज है मेरे पास, साल भर में एक ही शूज पहनती हूँ। Black socks, guys. I am going for the flea market. Today is day 2. कल तो मैंने कुछ vlog नहीं किया था। आज I'm vlogging. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing. It's better than the usual 9 to 5. I don't know. At least I can die that I'm not just in the office setup and have not seen the world. एक तो अमेरिका, यूरोप ये सब जगह पे तो जाने को नहीं मिल रहा है. But at least I'm roaming in India somewhere. On my deathbed, I will be like, oh, I saw Gohar Khan. Oh, I saw Ori at the flea market. I don't know. It's not even that fun to meet famous people, but still I was outside the 9 to 5 setup. गरम हो रहा है अभी, चलो बाहर निकलते हैं. Let's go. That is a blank face. Trying to remember. मेकअप करने नहीं आता है बट कर दिया है. पता नहीं गैस क्यों 100 बार चेक करना पड़ता है, बट करना पड़ता है. Let's do fit check.
So I am back on my Rapido, back to BKC, and somehow running late, maybe pure excitement and a very little energy because I'm on my periods. So I'm having those mood swings and a kind of low energy, but I'm excited because I love what I'm doing right now. So yeah, that's the positive energy which I'm taking towards where I'm going. So I went before heading to BKC, I went to do something very important. I went to book my stall for the next week's event. So, and honestly, that moment felt really special because this is the second time I am going to put up my stall, and I was very happy. And then after booking my stall, I'm going to go have some snack because I have not eaten my breakfast, and there was NBC over there and I decided to eat it, and I also took parcel. Then I reached, and day 2 was honestly starting. I was not comfortable today because yesterday I saw how it was. I was wearing one of my bandanas the entire day. It actually helped me so much with the heat and the sun, as you can see. And that's something I genuinely love about bandanas. They are very easy to wear, easy to fold, easy to carry, and you can literally just keep them in your bag and pocket and just go. And this is me. I've just entered. I'm going. I have a chicken burger with me. I'm going to eat that first and then start working. This is me because while I was at the space over there, I tried to shoot a little snippets of content and make reels about it because I also post on Instagram, and I need to make some trending audios, videos, all that stuff. That was basically my second day at the flea market. सो डे 2 वॉज नॉट दैट मच, मतलब मुझे ऐसा मज़ा आ रहा था बट थोड़ा धूप भी था. एंड देन आई वॉज like reaching late today because yesterday I had reached earlier because it was like around 2 p.m. and today I have reached like around 6 p.m., 5:30 something, and there is less sun over here. And then I was just seeing around everywhere, like, and we were just setting up the stall late today. And yeah, that is what I did. Then I was again roaming here and there in my mini breaks. Matlab, you had to bring something from, like, we were still setting up, so I was helping out the stall business owner. So this was like a brownie stall Sunday. So it's basically like, you have that cookies. No, sorry, you have those brownies where you put an ice cream on it and then you eat it. So that's called a sundae. Matlab, brownie के ऊपर ice cream, that's called a sundae. That is something which I learned over here because I didn't knew because I don't eat a lot of sweets, so I didn't know. So this is like a term which I understood for a dessert. And then we were just clicking the social media, and we were shooting for social media. There was a lot of fun.
Yeah, you say I'm having two. That's okay. I'm taking one for my friend.
So as you can see, I took the experience of like a desert stall, and it is very important to have all kinds of experiences while you're living on this earth. And yeah, many kids and many people, family members came and tasted the brownies. It was very tasty. There was a uncle which we met twice. He was very sweet and he was very like kind to us and he talked to us. You know, I was very tired. Like after this, I was very very tired after 2 days, and this is like the day three before going to the stall. Like I was honestly feeling restless. I didn't want to go. I was crying inside in my body. Like why am I doing this? Why am I working so hard? All these questions pop in, but you still have to keep going because there's nobody telling you. And I told myself so. Even my relatives visited today, so I had come up with my dad on the terrace. So I was having some chill time. Then I got ready, which honestly felt like most important part of my day, getting ready. And then I automatically like you know went into a different kind of energy because I was all ready and groomed, and I'm going now with my bandana on my head. I took another different kind of a design so I could take a lot of content for now. And yeah, I'm see, this is how I try to film my content. And sometimes it's not aesthetic enough, but I still try to shoot the content, so at least I have something than nothing. So I decided to wear like maroon and blue because I was told not to wear black and brown, and I came to know that I just have black and browns in my closet. I do not have any color in my closet. So yeah, that is like the universal color. So I decided to wear this maroon top, which is simple. It looks classy. It is like minimal fashion kind of a vibe. Then I wore like a normal denim, and I took my bandana, and yeah, I was done for today. And then I will leave for the flea market event. I'm going right now for an event. I have hit my periods yesterday, and right now I'm going for an event. This is why I'm dressing. I'm really tired, but I'm still going. I'm not paid that well, but I'm going for the experience because it's the little flea market. Little flea market. It's very expensive for other people to enter. Yeah, but still, I'm just, you know. So today I decided to go by metro because discovered in 2 days that there is a metro which comes Aqua Line directly to Worli. So I decided to travel from Worli till there and then take a Rapido bike because yesterday I took a Rapido bike. Since 2 days I was just trying to figure out where is the Geo Garden, so it was quite hectic. So today I decided to just go by metro and then take like a Rapido bike. But still I got lost because the Rapido person didn't knew where to go. On the map it was showing somewhere else and the garden was somewhere else, so it's quite difficult. So just ask the people around. At this point, everything was like good. I traveled from metro to the flea market, which honestly felt like most Mumbai small business owner thing ever. By this point, the event already started feeling familiar. Small stall, small chaos, same crowd, but every day still different somehow. Again, we met this actor. I forgot the name.
Yeah. Bye bye. Bye bye. How is it?
That's good, guys. That's good.
We are based in Bangalore.
Okay.
What is it?
But you have a shop, huh?
I watch it. What are you guys for the eggless option for eggless one? Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. And this video is specially like an effort because I have been not posting since a month and it was really hectic for me, and I have tried my best to post something. I will try to be perfect, or however the YouTube channel is supposed to be, one day at a time, but I think I did my best by posting this video for now. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you hit like on this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed yet. And if you have friends and family members who are also watching with you, please hit subscribe from their phone as well. Thank you. Bye.